Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a bread machine recipe that is pita bread that I started to do a year ago and just now getting back around to doing that. It is very delicious and soft. So here into my bread pan, I'm putting a cup of water and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. This recipe is for 12 pitas that are relatively medium sized, very soft. Then I'm going to be getting 3 cups of bread flour. This is King Arthur bread flour that I'm using, so it's a high protein flour. And then I've got what have I got? Sugar, a teaspoon of sugar. That is coconut sugar. That's what I had, and looks like I made a little spill there. And I'm going to clean that up. But I have my bread machine yeast here, a fast-acting yeast, or you could use regular, would be fine too. And there was a tablespoon of that. You put it into your bread machine and use whatever function is your dough cycle. For my machine, that is an hour and a half, and look how soft and spongy that is. So I'm just taking it out of the pan and putting it onto a parchment lined sheet tray so that I can go ahead and divide this up into 12 relatively equal portions. And you could weigh this out. I'm just doing it by eye because I just didn't have time to get the scale up. So I just divide it in half and then divide that. I just break it down mathematically until I get 12 relatively evenish pieces of dough. Then you want to roll those into little balls, and they're going to rest for about 10 minutes just so you can get things going, get your oven preheated. It's a pretty hot oven, 450 degrees. Get it as hot as you can. You could probably do these in the air fryer. I haven't tried it yet, but probably will try that this summer. I have my dough rolling marble there, and I will leave links below to my favorite products. So don't forget to check those links out in the description below, and hit like, share, and subscribe. And rolling each little portion out as big as I can get it. And the longer you let your dough set, of course, the gluten will relax and you'll be able to get them a little more stretchy. But I was in a bit of a hurry, had a little accident there of a tear, no big deal. Here they are in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 minutes on each side. And you'll see on the second side, they really do their puffy thing. And here they all are. Like I said, this made 12. They were super, super soft. And I'm going to open one here in a second and show you the inside if you wanted to see the pocket that is formed when they poof up like that. And they are very tasty. We like to serve ours with olive oil and some herbs and kosher salt cracked in there, and they are very tasty. Garlic sauce would be great with this, shish kebabs and the whole lot, but they are very tasty. I hope you give it a try. I will leave links below. Here they are in their raw form. You could probably refrigerate those and just cook some off at a time if you wanted fresh ones. But they are fun. I thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you give these a try. Let me know if you do in the comments below how it went. Have a great day.